Hi guys, Aaron from Dirty Comanche. So I've got an Eachine Lizard 105S here that I ordered from Banggood, and when it turned up it wasn't working. I contacted them, and even though I've not been using it, they said that because I've had it for over a month, I'm not entitled to a full refund or replacement. They've offered me £55 out of £108 it cost me, just to pay for the repairs I need to do. The thing I noticed was one of the motors wasn't turning properly. So they asked me for a video to prove it, and when I was trying to make the video it started letting off smoke. You've not seen it do that, it's in my previous YouTube video. So today I'm going to try and replace this first motor, hope it fixes it, and if not I'm going to have to order an ESC and replace that as well. Wish me luck. Right, so this is the motor that's not working properly at the moment, and this is my replacement motor. I'm going to solder back in place. So how I'm going to go about it is these 4 little screws here. When I unscrew these, it gives me a little bit of freedom moving this. It gives me then enough space to resolder those back in place. These screws aren't magnetic, otherwise I could use my wristband. Right, so hopefully that's given me just enough freedom now to move this out of the way, just so I can unsolder and resolder just here where the motor connects. Yeah. So the yellow wire is already disconnected, but I just need to disconnect the red one. And the black one. That's the old motor. There. Done. Gone. So I just need to try and get rid of the old solder from it. Stop. I'm just going to pre-tin the soldering iron. If you have a third hand it usually helps. I just need to try and pre-tin each wire. Just a little bit of solder. And then also pre-tin where I'm connecting it. So now, hopefully, these should connect nice and easy. So it goes the black on the left, yellow's going in the middle. Doesn't want to go. And the red on the far right. Let's give it a little pull, test it's on strong enough. It is. Right, so now I need to screw this back down in place. Just try and find the screw holes.
Mm-hmm. Oi?